Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to update MetaTrader 4 application on your iOS device. To update your MetaTrader 4 application, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are done, open your App Store. Inside the App Store, tap on the search button at the bottom right. Go to the search box at the top and type in MetaTrader 4. Once you see the MetaTrader 4 application, open up this page and then see if there is an update button. If you see the update button, tap on it to download the latest version of MetaTrader 4 application. If you don't see the update button, it means you are currently running the latest version already. After updating, tap on the open button and enjoy the latest version of MetaTrader 4 on your mobile device. So that's how it's done. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.